Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will revise chapter 2, Plants Around Us. You have seen many plants around you. As you know, plants are useful to us in many ways. You know very well, as they provide many things to us like food, oxygen, medicines, wood for furniture, and many other things. Today we will learn about different parts of plants and their functions and other types of the plants. Let us learn about different parts of the plants and their functions. Like human body have different parts and different organs of the body perform different functions. Eyes are used for watching, ears are used for hearing, heart is pumping the blood, lungs are used for breathing. In the same way, plants have different parts. What are these? Leaves, flowers, fruits, buds, branches, stems, and root. And different parts perform different functions. Let us learn one by one. First one is the root. See here, root. This is the function of the root, and these are the roots which are below the ground. And what is the function of the root? It fixes the plant in the soil. It is the base of the plant and it is underground. And what is the other function? It takes in water and nutrients. जो भी आप water दे रहे हैं, फर्टिलाइजर्स डाल रहे हैं, वो सॉइल में ही डाल रहे हैं और रूट्स के थ्रू होते हुए ये पूरे प्लांट पार्ट्स में जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ द स्टेम. व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ स्टेम? दिस इज़ द स्टेम. इट कैरीज ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द शूट्स. आपने देखा होगा, दिस वन इज़ द स्टेम. दिस इज़ द स्टेम. In some plants it is green and in some plants it is hard and woody, and all the branches are there. सारी branches stem से निकलती हैं और उन्हीं branches पे fruits and flowers you can see. It act as a pillar. मतलब पूरे plant part को जो सीधा खड़ा रखना है और जो support provide करनी है, वो function किसका है? stem का. Next is the leaf. These are the leaves, green leaves. These are the kitchen of the plant, as they prepare food for themselves and for us also. We are getting food from the plants. Who are preparing food for us? The part of plant is leaf, which is kitchen of the plant. What they use for preparing the food? These are the carbon dioxide, water and sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves. Next is the flower. Flower which grows into a fruit, and it also produces these are the flowers here. These are the flowers which produce seed. Next, fruit. It stores seeds, and these seeds, when they are put in the soil, they again grow into a new plant. So these are the functions of the parts of the plant. Now let us learn about different categories of the plant. See these plants. Not all the plants are same. All are different. So we have categorized plant according to the height in different parts: trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. First one are the trees. These are the big plants having strong stem and woody stem and this strong and woody stem is also called trunk. And these plants live for many years. Their roots are also deeper than other type of the plants. You may see the branches are growing very heavily, and these give shade to the humans and other animals. Many examples of trees are there: neem, peepal, banyan, you have seen around you. Next, shrubs. Stem is woody but not like trees. These plants have bushes with many branches and they live for few years, like rose and cotton. These are the herbs having thin and green stem, and they live for 1 or 2 seasons. After that they die. Next, climbers. These are given name climbers because they need support to climb up. You have seen the money plant. It is not able to stand straight because the stem is very thin and very weak. That's why these plants are known as climbers. Creepers, they are also not able to stand and they creep on the ground just like grass you have seen. That's why they creep on the ground. That's why the name is given creepers. Assessment, that is for you to color and label the parts of the plants. You have done earlier also, but as a revision you have to do it again. You can draw the pictures of trees, shrubs and climbers, herbs, creepers which you see around you. Thank you. And as these pictures, these are just for practice, you can do this work in your rough notebook.